From tomorrow, you'll become the project manager of the Agile Team A. What? Project manager of an Agile team? That's nonsense. It's completely contradictory. Of course not. The project manager of an Agile team is the product owner. Oh no. Just as indicated by his name, the product owner is responsible of the product or not of the project. Then we can suppose that you are the Scrum Master. Oh no, the Scrum Master does not manage a project or people. You're pissing me off. Hello everybody, Teddy from Agile Consulting. Today I will show you the difference between a product owner, a Scrum Master, and a project manager. Are you ready? Let's go! I'm project manager and I manage a budget, and I also ensure that my team deliver on time with a fixed scope and with a deadline, because I make commitment with the client on fixed scope and with a deadline. I'm product owner and I am the strategist of the client. I manage the strategy of the product to ensure to deliver value at each iteration to the client. I'm Scrum Master and I ensure that the Agile principles are respected by the team, and I also ensure that all the Agile events are planned and occurs in good condition. I am project manager and give orders to the members of the team, and I also coordinate and assign the tasks within the team. I am product owner and I'm in charge of updated and created the backlog items, so I write the user story and ensure that they fit in one sprint and in one iteration, and I also answer the question of the team for everything related to the backlog item or related to the product. I also give and validate story point to the team when they finish user stories. I am the Scrum Master and I facilitate all the interaction and the communication within the team. I also help the team to be self-organized, self-managed, and to be autonomous. I am project manager and report the progress of my project to my hierarchy and to my client. I am product owner and I report the project progress to my stakeholders and to my client. I am the Scrum Master and I help the team to become more autonomous, to progress their work through, for example, burn up chart or burn down chart or predictability chart. I am project manager and I make decisions about everything related to the project. I am product owner and I take decisions about everything related to the product backlog. I am Scrum Master and I help the team to become more autonomous, to take decisions about everything related to their work, to their progress, and to their improvements. I am project manager and success my job if my team deliver on time within the budget. I am product owner and success to my job if my team deliver value to the client at each iteration through the user story I read in just before and in accordance with the strategy of the product. I am Scrum Master and I success my job if the team is more autonomous, is more self-organized, is more self-managed, and if they found their velocity. This is the end of this video. I hope you like this. If it's the case, put some likes, subscribe to my channel by clicking on the logo just right here, and I see you later. Bye bye.